Good morning, students.
Morning, ma'am.
Today we are going to see about the case study on computer crime. Okay, so you know what is computer crime, right? The term relates itself as computer. Okay, the desktop or laptops. Okay, anything it could be. But how that happens, a crime happens in the system. Okay, so let us see now the case study of one of the computer crime. So the agenda here involves background and history, the potential criminals, ethics survey, criminal activity, preventative measures. So how we can prevent that particular crimes. So where we can see the crimes happening? Can you say?
Passwords in mobile phones.
Yes?
Passwords in mobile phones.
Passwords, okay, in mobile phones. Okay, next. ATM. Very good. Last bit. Here. Systems, very good. Here.
Gadgets like smart TV.
Smart.
Smart watches, smart TV.
Smart watches you can say, okay. Then ATMs. Next. Here anyone? Okay. So cybercrime happening in today's world. Okay, in ATMs we can see, in social medias. Okay, the profile pictures is been changing. Yes. So many Facebook is being attacked. You know that millions of Facebook profiles is being attacked. Okay, whether you know or not, whether everybody uses Facebook, yes or no? Okay. Instagram, LinkedIn, okay. Okay. Ask. Okay, evolution of the information age. Okay, so we know that everybody is using today's iPhone, right? Who all have iPhone? Please raise your hand. Who all use iPhone? Nobody? Nobody? Arun Kumar is having, okay. Fine. Okay, now you will face many things. Okay. So evolution of information age, the growth projection. So we know the olden years, okay, in past years, we can see that there is no internet. Even the system is, we can see that only one system will be there in nearby house you can see. Okay, and even in schools or colleges, we'll have only 2 to 3 systems like that. Nowadays, we have in every background, for each and every user, there will be one desktop or 2 3 laptops we have. Like that, it has been grown up, and even the internet has been increased. Nowadays, we are using daily. Yes, it has been a daily usage. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay. So now it has been, the growth projection has been increased. So in the early years itself, you can see from 1990 to 1995 itself, it has been increased a lot. Like 2,500, 5 years of increases, there is a lot of differences you can see. And nowadays in today's trend, you cannot imagine even a minute, it cannot be without the internet. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So escalation and frequency. So FBI, computer crimes. Division reports like 15 security breaches every day. What is FBI? Federal Bank of India. Mainly, now today's world, we can see mainly where? Banking system. The banking system is one of the first thing that we can see. There is lots of crimes happening. Okay. So security breaches every day. We have security breaches. 75% of annual increase in recent years. Okay. And we can see that is also been increasing. So Department of Defense study itself says that there is like 7,860. Okay. The cases is being handled out, and out of that 7,860 successful crime is being detected. Okay. So there are some tools and techniques available in order to recover the particular crimes. Okay, it is not that we could not identify the threats. We cannot identify the criminals. Not like that. We have many tools and techniques nowadays. Day by day, the breaches also, data breaches happening. Day by day, the technology is also increased in order to recover the particular data. So mainly, what are the things available, tools available? Can anybody say? What are tools available? Tools available in order to recover passwords. What is the main tool to recover passwords? Encase. Okay. And for malware tools we have. There are many tools available. Okay, for mobiles, for desktops. Okay. So we have many things. Okay, many tools and techniques available to retrieve recover our systems. Okay. Is there anybody who have seen the hacking systems, or whether you have any crimes that has been you have focused or you have analyzed, or whether you have heard anything like that, any crimes? Whether you have heard any crimes happening? No. No? No crimes happen in your cases. Personally, you don't have any crimes that has been happening in your phones or Facebooks, social medias, nothing, right? Okay, but be aware of it. Okay, be aware of it. Okay, and there is some intrusion cost also happens. Simply we cannot recover our data for that particular software. We have to pay for it and we have to use that, right? So intrusion cost also surveys that more than half incurred a loss. Each loss exceeded in dollars only. There are some cost available. Okay, so it has been exceeding. The cost for that particular crime investigations will be high. Okay, so we have to be very what? Yes? Serious, yes, of course, we have to be very serious in our systems usage. Okay, in systems, mobiles, whatever it is nowadays. Okay, so hackers, the main case study is of Citibank system here. We are going to see about the Citibank system. The main thing is in Bangalore there is really happened cases, that one, okay, where the particular ex-employee have been hacked particular users money, passwords, and he has what? Withdrawn the money. Okay, and hackers penetrate the Citibank systems. Okay, and hackers penetrate the criminals crime, and then the result also has been what? The result also has been taken. Okay, who have hacked? Who is a particular criminal? What is the particular criminal's focus? And what is the main thing happened? Everything. Okay, step by step what the criminal has been done is being taken as a result. Okay, so who penetrates particular Citibank? Okay, so ex-employer is a particular criminal case users and the analysts and the programmers. Okay, so we can see a person is justified making copies of employer's software. So how much here it is? Nicely. We agreed stages how many? Stand and say 11. Agreed percentage 5. Next one. I would copy software illegally for my use. How much it is? Not a priya. Agreed 5%, how much? Subhashri? 41. Okay. Ravi Devi, the user is justified in accessing or using the services of another company's computer in his advantage. 6. Yes. Arun Kumar, a user is justified in accessing using the services of another system. Percentage? 3%. Okay. So you have to know this. I will crack a computer if I knew how. Darshan, how much percentage? I will crack a computer. If you crack a computer, if you know how much. Okay, so what is the percentage given there? 7. There is nothing wrong in writing a virus program to output a message. Have a nice day. So this is also a virus. So these are the types of things that is happening in real world. So how much percentage is being given? Okay. Pavikala, have a nice day. How much percentage they agree? 10, only 10%. Okay, sit down. Management comes to unfair at times and the person can be justified in erasing the files. How much? 7. Okay. So I could just I would adjust the system to avoid account service charge for an overdrawn checking account. Overdrawn checking account. This only 15 agree, but percentage is 7%. There is nothing wrong with tracking another company's computer to identify other customers to sell to. That is 6%. So what is all this? These are the cases that is been happen in real world. What I am saying is these are all the cases that is happen in real world. Okay, whether you all agree this? Yes. It is happening really. Yes. So there is nothing wrong with tracking another company's system. Why you wanted to use? Okay, this all happens in real world, in traders company. Okay. And next is so technical minded crime. So who is all doing this hacking? Who all do this hacking?
Hackers.
Hackers. Okay. So what we wanted to do this? What we have to do this? The criminal activity we have to avoid it. So what we can do? Trojan horse. Okay, one of the thing. Vehicle for viruses and logic bombs. This is also one of the virus. The Trojan horse, which has been attacked to your system. Okay, so vehicle for viruses and logic bombs, fraud and abuse, racetrack defector, Huntsville in prison, robbing food for Northwest. Okay, so these are some criminal activity. Okay, so these are the names. Okay, theft, software duplications, like Microsoft account. Some duplications with IDs keys. If you have hacked it, then you can use it, right? Okay. And corporate espionage, increasing the threat, like real website, the cloning websites. Nowadays we have many cloning websites available, like real website that is being seen. Okay. Sabotage, 35% of all crime is being committed. Okay. And 75% is being will be an investigation. Education and training. So the first step in order to prevent this particular crimes is we have to know what step we have to do. Okay, so a logical first step, that is education and training. Okay, so we have to know that we have to be aware of things like confidential statements, regular backups. We should have some regular backups on OS or softwares, or our password has to be changed regularly. Virus, okay, update your viruses in your systems. Policies and procedures you have to know. The control internet access at the boot level, passwords, okay, and education and training suggestions from things such as control internet access. Okay, we can control our internet access by changing our passwords, restrict the use of internet, classify the data, secure all computers, require file level passwords. Okay, so about software we can prevent like a variety to choose from positive results. Indiana Police Power and Light case study. Okay, nowadays we don't have the legal ramifications, better prepared law enforcements. Okay, so all these are the preventive measures to be taken. Okay, so I hope you all will be aware of the crimes that is happening in real world.